Most commonly, we see hernias near the belly button or umbilicus or the groin. Some people don't have any symptoms, but most often we see people with like a bulge in either their groin or near their belly button. Some people have pain at that location that's ongoing because tissue's stuck in that area. Typically, someone with a hernia will have discomfort with heavy lifting in the area of the hernia. They will see that pain kind of come and go when they're doing certain movements such as lifting or twisting. If a hernia is incarcerated or tissue stuck in that hernia, sometimes they'll get bloating in the belly, nausea or vomiting, or they'll notice their stools have stopped.